Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of Exo Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. What's good with it? With your boy Dre. We're about to check out Jackson Wang, GBAD. What's GBAD? What the hell GBAD is, Jackson? What is GBAD, bruh? What's up, y'all? Man, Jackson be really doing his thing, man. I see he be working with these streamers. Jason, the Ween, I Show Speed. When's it my turn, Jackson? When are you gonna hang out with the OG? JRE. Y'all already know. All right, Jackson Wang, GBAD. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Bow. Is that a yellow brick road? It's so pretty. Is that a painting? That's AI. Where is this? Oh, oh, nah. It's Magic Man. Jackson, why the blood? Oh. Is this the Teletubby world? Oh. Oh. Wait, is them joints? Oh, shit. Life is great. Oh. Oh, shit. Did this motherfucker just reverse time? Sorry for cursing, but what? You just gotta be a dick sometimes? Sometimes you do. You actually do gotta be a dick. I feel that's true, but you know, there's time and place. Time and place. Oh, that's kind of funny with the sun. Oh, Jason! I was just talking about your ass. Why you put him in a little tiny car though? It's gonna. Oh shit! I just realized it's a train. Jackson, save his ass! Ooh. Them hip thrusts do be doing things, huh? Aww. Hey, he saved him. Ooh, Jackson with that voice, that rapping voice. Oh. He didn't even thank his ass, huh? He didn't even think his ass. Sometimes you gotta be a dick sometimes. Fuck your corn with yeses on both. Say that again. Okay, I still believe in trust over 1,000 times, but fuck your corn with yeses on both sides. Saying when they still blame me, cause I slide. I guess that's when we gotta be a dick sometimes. Yeah, okay, Jackson. Oh, I like this vibe. It has a weird vibe. That is definitely AI editing right here, I think. A little bit, no? Or just a filter? It's just moving a little bit too weird now. It's alright. It's a little bit's fine. Oh, what the hell? Oh, they're about to rob the place? You know, it's kind of like, you know, you try to be the nice guy and everything, but no one gives you that, like, thanks. You know, just a little thank you would just help. But you know what? Fuck it. Sometimes you just gotta be a dick. Oh. Oh. Did he just dick thrust to a dick? Hey man, whatever you know what? Whatever superpower you gotta just deal with it, you know what I'm saying? Let me see that one more time. Bop. Bop. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. Wait, he extended his. He has phantom dick? What is this? What? Oh. 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 Your thrusts are powerful. What? Oh, what is it? Oh, shit. He saved the day again. Life is great when peace comes to you. Bro, that shot kind of reminded me of The Crow. Low key, no? Wait, he's getting the credit though? Oh. Two of his fingers is like a. Okay, you know what? I'm entering your world, Jackson. Oh, everybody else is not human. Oh! Oh, shit! What the fuck? What the hell? What? Hello? Oh, hell nah. Oh, hell, this is nightmare fuel, bro. Oh, hell no. Nah, we ain't. No, we good. Let go. Ew, that's disgusting. Is that the future? Oh, everybody else is messed up, huh? Everybody got their own masks. Oh, shit. What the hell did he just thrust it through his chest? What is happening? Bow. Oh, damn. Oh, well. Oh, well. Oh, well. Moving on. What the? Sometimes we gotta be a dick. Not to harm, but to set boundaries. Yes! Talk your shit, King. Boundaries. Boundaries is where it's at. And protect our own will. Protect your own mentality, your own body, your own, like, set boundaries, y'all. It's okay to set boundaries. And if they don't respect it, then move on. They're not worth your time. I agree. That was a good message. Weird ass. Okay, GBAD. Bro, what is Magic Man? What the fuck? Magic Man 2. Wait, what the hell, Jackson Wang? It's dope seeing Jason the Wing there, though. I'm not gonna lie. That's cool. Respect to him, man. He'd be doing his thing. Shout out to Jackson. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to this music video. That was fire. Put a comment down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Keep on dreaming, dreamers. Dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. Ooh, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of Exo Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.